Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Maggie Imbert, and for today's video, I'm going to share you another cooking recipe. And this recipe is a very simple lang ito guys, and vegetarian po tayo ngayon, vegetables po yung isi-share ko sa inyo ngayon guys. This recipe is my own version also guys. So you can see here I have ingredients. Our first ingredients ay in Filipino dialect is called patola. Ito po yan siya guys, and this is the patola, but I think it's called silk squash or rabbit lofa. Ito po yung isi-share natin ngayon sa inyo guys. And ito na po siya, I sliced like this. So masarap po ito siya guys, at saka mabango, at saka watery po siya, hindi siya gaanong maraming. Kapag nagluluto tayo, hindi na natin siya lalagyan ng tubig. Maglalagay man tayo, but a little bit lang po. Next ingredients ay oyster sauce. Next, 1 large onion. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. 2 cloves of garlic. And this is the bagoong alamang. So ito yun siya guys. So disclaimer, this is not sponsored, and I bought with my own money, and this is called a shrimp paste. So disclaimer guys, this is not a sponsor. So I'm going to try this shrimp paste, dahil natikman ko na po ito siya guys. I will try this with my own recipe guys. Yan lang po guys yung ating ingredients. So let's go. We will start our cooking. So guys, ito na po, luto na po yung ating nilutong patola na ginisa ko sa ating shrimp paste. So isasalin ko na po ito sa ating serving plate, at luto na po at ready to eat na po siya guys. So I hope na nag-enjoy kayo dito sa aking luto. Hanggang sa muli guys, maraming salamat everyone for always watching my YouTube channel. See you again next time.